My friend Nietzsche always said that starting to read philosophy is like learning to cook. You don't begin by making a five-course banquet, right? You learn to fry an egg first, then make simple pasta, and only then move on to more elaborate recipes. And look, friend, that's exactly what happens with his books. Most people do the opposite. They immediately grab "Thus Spoke Zarathustra," which is like trying to make a soufflé without ever turning on the stove before. Result? They give up on page 20 thinking philosophy isn't for them. But my friend Nietzsche didn't write his books in random order, you know? There's a sequence that makes much more sense for beginners. Let me explain how this recipe of Nietzsche works. He himself went through different phases in life, and each book reflects a specific moment. It's like having access to a friend's thought diary over the years. Sometimes he's more didactic, other times more poetic, and other times completely revolutionary. For beginners, my friend Nietzsche would recommend starting with Human, All Too Human. This book is like him talking at a bar table, explaining why people do the things they do. He talks about art, religion, relationships, things you experience every day. The language is direct, without poetic detours that might confuse someone starting out. After Human, All Too Human, you can move on to The Gay Science. This is where my friend Nietzsche is more confident, more playful. It's like he found his own voice and is sharing his most mature insights about life with you. Here you'll find famous ideas like God is dead, but explained in a way that anyone understands the context. And you know what else? These two books will prepare you to understand Nietzsche's special vocabulary. He uses terms like overman, will to power, eternal recurrence. But before understanding what this means, you need to understand how he thinks. It's like learning a friend's accent before understanding their inside jokes. Seems simple, right? But my friend Nietzsche warned about a trap. Many people skip these steps because they want to jump straight to Zarathustra, or on the genealogy of morals. It's like wanting to drive a Formula One car without even getting a driver's license. Result? Frustration, misunderstandings, and a completely wrong interpretation of his ideas. My friend Nietzsche concluded that philosophy is like a conversation that gradually deepens. First you get to know the person, then understand how they think, and only then can you follow their more complex ideas. Start slowly, savor each book, and you'll discover that philosophy isn't a seven-headed monster. It's just a conversation between friends who know each other well. If you want to continue this journey, subscribe and share this video to learn more of my friend Nietzsche's wisdom.